Now that we have our asset data parsed, we can use it to render to the screen. Although you notice that our previous DrawImage function doesn't allow us to draw a subsection of an image. Effectively, it only took an X and Y position. Thankfully, there's a version of DrawImage that supports this ability, but we haven't really discussed it yet. There's an advanced version of the DrawImage API that takes in a few more parameters, giving us more control on how we want to get the pixels to the screen. In order to understand more about this, we cruise over to webplatform.org so we can take a look at the data. The new parameters that we should be looking at are this. First off, we handle the same image object that we took with our previous DrawImage API. And then we have the source X, source Y, source width, and source height parameters. These represent the XY position of our chart in our atlas, as well as the width and the height of that chart in the atlas. The destination X, Y, width, and height represent the position and size that this small subsection of our atlas is going to be drawn to in the output canvas. So for example, we can set source X and source Y to 2, 2, width and height to 32, 32, and draw it to a position on canvas of 128, 128 by 64 by 64. DrawImage is smart enough to know that if the source width and height don't match the destination width and height, to properly scale the image to match the desired output size. For our purposes in grits, we really don't do any scaling, so for 99.9% of the time, source width height and destination width height are the same size.